What's up, my friends? We're back at it again, and today we're going to be unboxing, we're going to be building, we're going to be talking about the Tyranid army. I've been wanting to build this for a while, so I hope you enjoy. If you do, hit that like button, but let's get started. And we're back at it again with another Warhammer 40k combat patrol, but this time it's the Tyranids. You get so many minis in this, it's honestly ridiculous, but recommend it without a doubt, especially if you're trying to build a Tyranid army. Right now I'm just going on a rampage of just building a bunch of stuff because when anybody gets into Warhammer at the beginning, and probably all the time, you just love buying things. So we're hopping into it. So I'm going to show you the pretty much the manual. This is the thing that I do. We're just going to fast forward through all of this, and if there's something that you want to see, go ahead and just hit that pause button. And while I'm showing you this, don't forget to hit that subscribe as well. There's a lot of sprues, my friend, a lot of tracks, whatever you want to call them. There is a ton of them, and a lot of them are actually the same because you have like over 30, I think it's 32 or 33 of the no, I think it's even more of just like the little foot soldier dudes, but it's exciting to build. So here are some of the bases, a ton of them, some of the 35 millimeters, I believe, and just bigger ones, but empty box now. So what I'm going to do is, as usual, I'm going to build one of these dudes, and then from there I'll show you the whole army. So the first one that I'm doing is just going to be a little foot soldier. So just cutting out of the sprues using super glue. I will say, as I'm recording this video, I have upgraded to cement glue. So just throwing that out there. But yeah, so we're just going to super glue these dudes together. We got the head, you got the arms, detail looking pretty good. There's a lot of mold lines and things like that, but you know, I'm pretty basic, so I don't really care for all that. Yeah, slipped out of the hand. So it's on the base now, which is looking pretty cool. I put all of them with the same guns, but that's pretty much how you build one of these, and you do that like 30 plus times. This is the whole army. All right, so I did go with the wing flying bat looking dude. Don't know the names, don't kill me for it. But yeah, hey, there's a ton of minis. If you just want a ton of minis for a decent price, highly recommended. Yeah, trying to get sponsored so I can give you guys some discounts as to where I get these things, but we obviously have to hit a certain number for those. So once again, hey, if you want to subscribe for more content, do so. But yeah, this is the army. I'm excited to paint them. I already have an idea. If you want to see how I paint them, what colors I paint them, I'm going to say it one last time. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. But this is the Tyranid army. Watch out, Warhammer 40k. We got some new homies on the block. All right, so we're done. That is it. That's the Tyranid army. I'm super excited to paint this. If you want to see what it's going to look like, you already know. I've said it 3 times in this video. Hit that button down below. All right, to stay tuned. But my friends, be blessed. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, cheers.